Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can use Poly AI. So first up, you just need to open your website and go to poly.ai. So to those who may not know Poly AI, basically Poly AI is an advanced conversational AI platform that allows businesses to build and deploy AI-powered voice assistants, and it's ideal for improving customer experience by automating customer support, providing intelligence responses, and handling multiple inquiries simultaneously. So it's a great tool for companies looking to enhance their call center operations or customer service without sacrificing their quality. Now, to get started with Poly AI, just need to click on the Request a Demo button right there at the top right hand corner. So if you're a new user, you likely start with this way or step where you can contact their team for enterprise option here. So enter all your details here, including your name, work email address, what's your phone number, where are you located, what's your call volume per year. So complete all the details here. So once you've signed up, you just need to open your dashboard. And once you're on your dashboard, here you can basically set up your voice assistants to managing current projects. And to do that, you just have to click on the button which says Create New Assistant to start building your AI. And you'll need to name it and choose the language you want to communicate in. And for most users, this will be English, but Poly AI supports multiple languages. Now, to set up or build your AI assistants, here are the simple steps to make it. First up is setting up what are called intents. So intents are basically the different things your customer might ask for or might ask your AI assistant. So for example, if you run a retail store, intents might include check order status, store hours, or return policy. Now, once your intents are set, it's time to train your assistant. You'll need to provide example phrases for each intent. For instance, if a customer wants to check their order status, they might say, "Where's my order?" or "Can I track my order?" So Poly AI will use these examples to better understand future customers' queries. Now that your AI knows what the customer is asking, you need to tell it how to respond. So Poly AI lets you craft detailed responses, including text and voice formats, to provide a human-like interactions. And before going live, test your AI assistants thoroughly. So Poly AI has a built-in testing tool so you can simulate customer conversations and make sure the assistant responds correctly. So that's how you basically build your AI assistants on Poly AI. So you just have to start with signing up or going to request a demo button right there and complete all the details until you got on the dashboard where you can start using the AI assistant. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.